Watch, watch, watch. World, it's not a plan. Here we are going on, man. Franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing, don't it? You know it go already, you know. When we aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion, boy. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man. First and foremost, you know, I want to say, yo, you see 10-star TV belongs to me. You see what I deal with? You see whatever I come put out on it, and I ask me a question and make you know what I want. So here we go on right now. Right about now, I don't care about some other people opinion when me a voice mine. Because everybody equal to their opinion. You see what I deal with? But you know, come over 10-star TV, come tell him what you do. And what you chat say. Worse use a body wash more boy. You see what I deal with? Worse when you know say a Gaza I represent for the fullest. Why you would come over a Gaza man channel, come and chat off your fucking mouth and I want in a bag of waste argument with a man on them own channel. And you have fucking vendetta channel where you can go lurk span and hug up and kiss up with your friend them. Eh? That's all me say, you know. This is where I deal with. Because me as a man, I now go over on the channel but hold up no waste argument, you know. I not do that. You see what I deal with, so I don't want to tell man, feel like you can tell man what you say. And boy, I talk about them are go kill and them are go this. Yo. You know me as a man when I watch them bumbuckler thing there. This is what I deal with. I don't ever want to have to go in at them thing there because them thing there make no sense to me. You know what I mean? You know, there's some null skull. But I don't want to kill somebody for voice them own opinion. Eh? That's so stupid on it is. Or that's so fool on it is. Yo. Me I dust the fucking player. So you can't hate me, you don't have to hate the blood clot game. Or the street says squash man. And that's all me a bumbuckler say. So me don't want a man come and tell me fuck a man and tell me about 10-star you now listen to the song. Listen it over and over and over. The only reason why me I have to listen one particular song over and over like that, the artist have to talk something where stimulate your mind. So you have to blood clot, you don't go for Google or dictionary. And I nothing like that the man attack. You just can't hear the man because some fault there with the rhythm and to how him a flow, how him want flow and rhyme upon the rhythm. You see what I deal with? So I don't know what the fuck we not talk about. You know what I mean? A man listen over a song because the song move him and feel it. You have to keep on, you have some particular verse or words in it to move him. And you have to keep on listening it over and over. But you cannot tell me to listen to a song just because I have to catch what the person say. You see what I deal with that mean it not deliver properly then? You know what I mean? How about that? And then you know go like when you feel like when you can tell man what to do and tell man what to say. Now come over your 10-star TV with it, you know. No boy can come bully me now, my subscriber them over here, say, you know. Because I not deal with lollipop thing, you know. A loud explosion when I drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know. So I want to get that now on the fucking head and understand what I do, you know. You know what I mean? You want to feel like some freak channel this or some kiss ass channel. You see me? And boy we go like say kiss them, kiss us and chat all kind of fuckery. And none of them channel there, you know, bro. You hear that? A 10 star, you know. The choosing one, you know. The people's champion, you know. Yo, a Gaza favorite, you know. Understand yourself, you know, vendetta boy. You know what I mean? And a 10 star say it, you know, the street says 6. You know what I mean? I'm soon go like say, you know want to run politics. But talk to the street. You know what I mean? You know going to hear from me in a couple hours from now. Because the write-off song will come up shortly. You see what I deal with? Squashman done sound the big thing them already. I just the producer them for finish do what them do. Or a Squashman for tell them when them want necessary equipment for drop. You know what I mean? So no worry about yourself, man. Watch your load explosion. Oh, now go hear when Squashman squeeze. You hear me? I feel like me I do it. Eh? Boy sit and starting and get up in him feelings instantly. I'm gonna tell you something, man. If you know all wanna say and it a pro and all wanna say is a big factor to uno make what me and say bother uno so. You know what I mean? So that alone show me so uno already lose already. Uno show a sign of weakness. You see what I deal with? Because if what me and say not right, you see what I say? And what uno say right, why uno make what me say bother uno like that? A sign of weakness uno show. No weak like rock, man. And the general, the 10 star one, man, representing a full effect. What? 10 star way. 6. Dominate the clash. Dominate the street. Watch.